you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Fell in love with a groupie, yeah. Fell in love with a groupie, yeah. Fell in love with a groupie, yeah. Fell in love.
Alright, hey guys. In the process of getting my life together. This is what it looks like. Usually I'm cleaning my brushes. So I figured I'd make this really quick tip video on how you could clean your makeup brushes in less than 5 minutes.
Okay.
As you can see over here, this looks crazy. One of the problems that a lot of people struggle with makeup is your brushes need to be clean, guys. Like, they need to be clean for your makeup to go on well. I'm gonna show you like 2 of the ways you can clean your brushes. The first way is actually waterless. So I use this, and this is the Daily Brush Cleaner from Sephora. This way is for my people that wear makeup daily, and you might not have time every single night to deep cleanse your brushes. This is a daily brush cleaner. Now, this doesn't replace soap and water, as I said, but I wanted to show you guys this. I'm gonna show you how well this works. Let me take a dirty makeup brush. You guys see how dirty this is? And this side. I've done a couple eyeshadow looks with these. They're disgusting. So what you do with this is you just take it on some paper towel. I make sure my paper towel is a little damp. It helps. So I spray it like in a couple of spaces. I do like 4 sprays. This is a, again, waterless brush cleaner. So hopefully you guys can see this. I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit more. Okay, look at this. And you can swirl, and you really gotta pretend you're really like blending the mess out of some eyeshadow, okay guys? And you wanna make sure you spread the brush apart while you do this too. So I try to like spread the brush and get the middle as well, and just really, really blend it out well. And boom. Clean brush, and it's completely dry. You didn't need any water to do this. So this is one of my favorite methods that I feel like a lot of people still don't know that this is possible. And my friend who's a makeup artist, shout out Brittany Rogers on IG, she showed me this a long time ago. I actually have the stuff that she uses coming in because I do this way too often, so I needed something bigger than the Sephora spray. So she uses Cinema Secrets waterless brush cleaner, so I'm about to use that. But look guys, that was only after 2 passes. Only downside to this is if you're cleaning your whole brush set, you might have to use more than 1 paper towel, which is not the most environmentally friendly thing. Of course, you can use a rag, like this microfiber towel I have here. You can use a variety of things like that. But again, this is just for demonstrational purposes. It's not super duper bright white, but it is good enough to use on a daily basis. So if you didn't know about this method, definitely comment below. All right, and now I'm gonna show you what's been amazing me. Your girl, I got an electric brush cleaner recently, so I'm gonna bring that right here. Brush is actually really dirty, full of makeup and stuff. I don't know how well that's gonna show on camera, but lots of dust and powder, and it looks absolutely terrible. Okay. So the way this works is there's this electric piece right here. I got this right off of Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description box for this. Ooh. Okay, so there's this little adapter piece right here, and then it comes with an entire set of brush holders. So you stick your brush inside this piece. So since we're using, let's see, since we're using this brush, the easiest way to do it is literally just kind of like feel around and see which holder would be the best. It came with 2 adapter thingies. So no. So this one feels like the best. And usually I'll just like pull it out. Boom. So you stick your brush in here, and then you see it's got this square piece, and then you stick it on top of the electric cleaner. And what's inside of this bowl is just a few pumps of detergent and water conditioned while you clean. That's an artist painting technique, is to clean with oil and water and detergent. So, all right, you guys ready for this? It's really cool. So when you press the button, it spins like this. So first thing you need to do is put it in the water, and then we're gonna press the button. And then it starts to spin just like this. It's really cool, guys. And look at how nasty the water's getting. And if you're doing all of your brushes, I would suggest, of course, changing the water out halfway through because it starts to get really gross in there, especially between like the really big brushes because they create a mess. And then you're supposed to pull it out like this so the brush can spin, and this is how you're drying the brush, like this, y'all. So this is supposed to be drying it. So I'm gonna count to, I guess, like 10 or 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's turn this off. What? Y'all, this brush is dry. It's damn near dry. It's like, it's almost pretty much ready to use. That's actually crazy. All right, and I'll show you what it looks like just for dramatic effect. And after I spun it for a little more, it's even more dry now. This is crazy. So highly recommend this because it got my brushes, like this brush that I just cleaned is usually like very hard to get back to its original color, and it got it back. So if you guys like this quick tip video, let me know, and I'll do more videos like this because I'm always kind of doing behind the scenes work with my brushes and stuff. A brief shout out to Amazon because I just got all of these eyeshadow brushes that you see in this jar. I didn't have time to get rocks or anything yet, so I just took literal packing foam and confetti from some PR packages I had, and I stuck these in there. But yeah, so let me know if you guys like these quick tips. Look how clean this brush is. Oh my god. Thank you for reaching the end of my quick tips how to clean your brushes video, and please don't forget to drop a like on this video. My most common comment is that my channel is underrated and that we should be at 1 million. Help us get there and click that like button because it lets YouTube know that this video is important and it's good quality, and it pushes it up in the recommendations. Also, if you want to join the gang, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're not already, don't just be a visitor here. We want you here as part of the family. And have an amazing rest of your day. Don't forget to love yourself and put that maintenance into all that you do for yourself. Clean your brushes, clean your booty, you know, do what you do. Thanks guys, love you. See you in my next video. Gang gang.
Gang, 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 gang.